Hi guys, so today is our prom like slash banquet day. But first, before we go sa town, ano nga? Before we go sa town, nag-stay muna kami dito sa Coffee Project for lunch. Can you say?
It's very nice here, and the weather's good, so.
So, on the way na kaming magpapaayos, tapos sila mama magsha-shopping.
Nine ba yun? Christine, 9?
Yung?
O 6 inches lang yun. Sabi ko kasi ipapapunta.
For example, this Dell laptop, which is apparently being sold on Wish.com for $1. $1.
Can you say about today's event?
I'm so excited, and I can't wait to eat everyone up when I sing.
Ano kakantay mo?
Golden Order.
It's not for next year's litmus anymore.
Yeah.
It's for the moment, today,
I gotta
tonight.
serve cunt next year when I go to Litmus. Ano?
So good, guys. We're ready for this. Ano oras ka nag-start?
9? Natapos ako mga 11 din.
So we're at Soto Grande now. And it's I think 30 or 45 minutes bago the start of the event. Pero we're still gonna do some transitions before we go. That's all, guys. See you there. So Kim arrived na. Hello, she's really ideal girl.
First chorus ng team nyo, sabi nila. Kasi
yung akin din, nilagay ko yun.
Ano yun? Sino yung mga yun?
Ano? Sisiksik ba? Okay na, susunod na lang kami. Kakasya pa kami?
Kasha pa!
May
Easy.
dala ako. I'm late again. Pag sa recognition ako, na-late wala.
Say hi to my vlog.
Doon na sa taas.
What can you say about today's event?
I wanna go back.
Okay.
Ganap. Can you say?
Hindi, grabe. That's so fun.
What can you say to my vlog?
Your vlog is boring without me.
I love your dress.
Just show your outfit, then your outfit. Oh, wait.
It's my outfit.
Shining, shimmering, splendid, Justin Rapunzel.
Huh?
Wala.
But I have this.
lakad.
So we're in here now, Dial. What can you say about the venue?
I love it.
Is it magical?
Yeah, so pretty. What's happening?
Achievements are hard works. Yung ilang beses pumunta ka na sa faculty room para tumaas yung grades mo. So this event isn't just a formal event. It is an event to congratulate and
So andito kami sa table kasi walang sumayaw sa amin. What can you say na walang sumayaw sa atin?